Hello student, please like and subscribe my channel. I am Veena Dikshit. We are discussing ketoenol tautomerism of monoketone compounds. I took two monoketone compound and one dicarbonyl compound. Monocarbonyl, two example, and dicarbonyl, two only one example, dicarbonyl. So when monocarbonyl compound is there, keto form in this case and in this case, in both the cases, keto form more stable. So this equilibrium shifts towards the keto and very less amount of enol form will be there. Okay, so a small arrow I made towards enol form. Okay, now what will happen here? Transfer of H positive will take place because of deprotonation will occur, and alpha hydrogen is removed, and this carbonyl group oxygen is attracting electron towards itself, so getting negative charge, and at that moment H positive from here it will be forming OH. So simply you have to draw W, and then O position of O will remain the same. Hydrogen shifted from alpha position to here, and the lone pair of electron remaining over here, they are forming double bond. So in this way, this is alpha carbon. Okay, so alpha carbon lone pair of electron will move forming C double bond C, and C double bond C less bond energy, Be I am writing Be, so that is why it is less stable enol form as well, but keto form is more stable because C double bond O is having high bond energy. I have written Be. So carbonyl group is having high bond energy as compared to olefinic carbon double bond. So keto form more stable than enol form. The same way here you have to draw this structure. This is 2-butanone, keto form more stable, keto tautomer more stable than enol tautomer. So again the same is, you draw the structure, and then where O is there, right, put H, and then alpha carbon you have to write on double bond. We have not to select this one because it will be terminal. So terminal will be avoided because it will be less preferred, and this will be internal alkene will be more preferred according to Sadjeff rule. You have seen that highly substituted alkene is stable, like that highly substituted enol are more stable. Okay, so this enol form more is there, and this enol form, although it is less stable than keto form. And this is dicarbonyl compound, only one carbonyl group is forming enol, so we will get monoenol, and highly resonance stabilization will be there. See this double bond O carbon, this is the carbonyl group, and this will remain as such. There are two carbonyl groups, so one remain as it is, and this is forming enol form, so you will get dihydroxy enol. Okay, 2,3 dihydroxy prop to enol, 1, 2, 3 prop to enol. So it is